Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my hair care routine for 2021. I have actually been doing this hair care routine for a while now, and I'm also going to be showing you guys how I blow dry my hair, how I create this really nice soft blowout on my own hair. So if you guys are interested in seeing this video, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I wash my hair, what I wash my hair with, and all that fun stuff. So we're going to start off by brushing our hair. I always brush my hair before I wash it, and you want to make sure that you're gentle while brushing your hair, starting from the ends and working your way up. For shampoo and conditioner, I use Olaplex. I've been using Olaplex for about 2 years, and it is the best thing I've ever used. A little bit goes a long way, so I take about a quarter size amount, and just that little bit lathers all over my hair. Once I've shampooed my scalp, I run it through the rest of my hair, and then I rinse with cool water. The next step in my hair washing routine is the Fanola No Yellow Mask. It's just like purple shampoo, but in the form of a mask. I only use this about every other week, and it's like an at-home toner as well as a hydrating mask all in one, and I absolutely love it, and I recommend it for all of my blonde clients. I personally leave it on for about 7 to 10 minutes, and then I rinse once again in cool water. And lastly is conditioner. I apply this on my ends where it's most needed, and then I work my way up through the rest of my hair. It's super hydrating and makes my hair feel so soft. I leave this on for just about a minute, and you've guessed it, I rinse with cool water. Once I'm out of the shower, I gently towel dry my hair and brush it with a wet brush detangler. And if you don't have one, you definitely should buy one, especially if you struggle with lots of tangling in your hair. It's going to change your life. Once I have my hair all brushed out, I then go in with the Schwarzkopf Osis Anti-Frizz Shine Serum, and this is in Magic Light Control. I apply this on my ends and I work my way up, and it has been great for controlling my frizz. Oh my gosh, you guys have no idea. Then I go in with the Schwarzkopf Blonde Me Tone Enhancing Spray Conditioner. This is for cool blondes, and it's been amazing for my blonde hair, especially because it's tone enhancing, so it's perfect for when my hair's looking a little bit brassy. Once I have brushed all the product throughout my hair, I then let my hair air dry for about 15 to 45 minutes. And then I come back and then I spray my hair with the Beyond the Zone Turn Up the Heat Flat Iron Protection. This is just a heat protection spray. I've been using it for a really long time now, and I really like it. So I'm going to be using the Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium Blow Dryer. I use this on my clients as well as these Olivia Garden brushes. You'll need a vent brush and a round brush and a concentrator attachment for your blow dryer. I'm first starting off by sectioning off my bangs and blow drying the roots first to kind of manipulate the annoying cowlicks, and then I use the round brush to give my bangs a smooth swoop off to the side, and I do the same to the other side. So now I am rough drying my hair and getting the roots 100% dry and the rest of my hair about 80 to 90% dry. This is important before using a round brush, just so you're not using a round brush on soaking wet hair. You would be there for hours on end. Once my hair is almost completely dry, I section off my hair. I start from the bottom and I work my way up. I then split the hair into 2 sections and I start blow drying with the round brush. It'll take you some time to figure out what arm positions are most comfortable, and as you can see, I move my arms around a lot and I change my positioning so my arms don't get as tired. So just remember to keep that in mind as you are practicing, and as you practice, you will get better and better at blow drying your hair. It can be really difficult to do this on yourself, so if you are practicing for the first time, make sure to use cool the cool mode on your blow dryer, just so you're not using really hot heat and burning your hair. So that is my recommendation for you. Because your hair is dry for the majority of it, it's going to be so easy to blow dry your hair with the round brush, because you're basically just curling the ends of your hair. You're basically like heating up the round brush and just curling your hair and smoothing it out. So I hope you guys are able to follow along with what I'm doing. Like I said, I know I change my arm positioning a lot. Sometimes it's hard for me to figure out like what exactly is comfortable on both sides of my hair. You're gonna have one side that's a little bit more comfortable for your arms and one side that's not. But yeah, I hope you guys are able to follow along. So yeah, just go ahead and keep on watching. I also just wanted to add really quick that as I work my way up, I go through about 3 separate sections. And as I section my hair, I just split it down the middle, and I do one section of the hair on my left side and one section of my hair on my right side. That way it just makes it easier for me to go back and forth. And then as I get to the top, I'll show you guys what I do to get the most volume. So this is how my hair is looking so far, and I'm going to show you guys pretty much just how I did it. This is my more uncomfortable side, so I really wanted to show you guys how I do it because my arms are so awkward on this side of my hair. But this is how I'm blow drying it. I have the round brush in the front of the section and the blow dryer behind the section of my hair. So technically the curl is going inward towards my face, but I don't mind it. And then actually on the other side of my hair, as you can see, the round brush is behind the section and my blow dryer is in front of the section, so the curl is going away from my face. So basically my curls are all going in one direction. But yeah, that's pretty much just how I'm doing it. It's the most comfortable position for me. And if your curls are going in all different directions, it's okay, because in the end, you're gonna have a really nice blowout, whether the curls are going to the left or to the right or up or down, whatever, it doesn't matter. But now we're working on the top section, and this is the most comfortable part of the entire blowout. So you're gonna take the section of hair and blow it right straight towards down your face. I could not get that word out. But look at this volume, you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm going to show you a couple more sections. Like I said, you're bringing it straight down towards your face. The round brush is behind the section. Blow dryer is literally right in front of your face. And you're just going to keep moving it and curling it and blow drying it. And you're going to lay it straight back and you're going to get the most volume. So this is actually how my hair turns out. I'm going to add more of the Schwarzkopf Osis Anti-Frizz Shine Serum, just a little tiny bit, maybe half a pump. Add it through the ends of my hair and work my way up just so it really smooths out my hair. And look at this blowout, you guys. This has been the easiest blowout I've done in a really long time, just because I simply blow dry my hair 80 to 90% all the way through, and then you just round brush your hair. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was easy to follow. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already, and don't forget to turn on post notifications. Leave a comment down below telling me what kind of video you would like to see next, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Mwah.